Hello, hello, hello. This is Tony Nicole welcoming you to the red carpet. I was scrolling through my phone and I saw this article from Vogue that was featuring the hottest summer trends for 2020. So I got inspired to try to see if I can create these outfits. So before I show you how I did it, I'm going to ask that you please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So I'm just using scraps of fabric and things that I already have. I'm not going to the store to buy anything, and these techniques are techniques that I've used before. So according to Vogue, short suits and neon are in for summer. So I'm taking this, this is a poly blend piece of scrap fabric. I think it was from an old pair of pants or something like that. And I'm using the lighter side, and I'm using a scrap piece of paper to create a pattern for my shorts. So I'm gonna wrap it around one leg, and then kind of measure off where I want the center to be, and then I'm going to carefully draw out like a reverse J shape. I'll go ahead and cut that out. So now I have a pattern for my shorts, and then I'll cut that out twice for each pants leg. So what I'm going to do is attach the J, the reverse J sides with hot glue. Putting the fabric good side to good side. And I'll do it again on the other end. So I'll open up the center, put the two seams together, and then I'll go ahead and glue the middle all the way around where the pants legs meet. Of course, always using caution with hot glue. So now I have that attached. Then I'm going to flip it. And you can see our shorts. So we're just going to add a couple of things so that it could fit properly. I made a little belt by folding over some scrap fabric. But first I'm going to create a little pleat with a pinch and a fold. Then I'll attach the belt. Now what happened is that the pleats were so tight and everything was so fitted that I can't get the shorts off. So what I had to do was cut in the back. Open that up so now they can go past the hips. And then I'll go ahead and finish gluing the belt around. Then we're going to trim it, hem it, and then add the Velcro. From here, I'm just going to create another small belt by folding over some extra fabric, and then we will trim it around the bottom of the shorts. So our shorts are made. Now we're going to move on to the jacket. I've used this technique a bunch of times. We're just going to fold the fabric at the shoulders, cut it out from the widest part, elbow to elbow. Then we'll measure off at the neck, above the arm, and up under the arm. We'll cut that out. So you have a neck hole and the 2 arm holes. We'll put it good side to good side and hot glue the sides. Then open it up, and on one side you cut it up the center. Flip it, and then you have an instant vest. And you've seen me use this technique on a bunch of other videos. So what I'm going to do is just create a quick hem on the sides of our vest. Carefully applying glue and folding it down. From here we'll add sleeves. We're going to measure off some sleeves. Fold it good side to good side, apply hot glue. Then we'll flip the material. And at the shoulder, we're going to cut it at an angle. Then we'll turn our vest back inside out. Insert the sleeve through the armhole by lining up the 2 seams. So now that you had a sleeve kind of fitted through the armhole, you're going to carefully apply hot glue to attach. A little bit of glue, push it together, and you're going to trim carefully, and then when you unfold it, you have a nice little seam on there where it's attached. So repeat it on the other side, and again we're going to use our little belt to trim the bottom, the neck, and the cuffs of the sleeve. So now we have our jacket and our shorts. So we got one part of our fashion trend done. Now we're going to add neon. And I'm trying not to buy anything, but I had this bright yellow greenish ribbon. So we're going to use the same technique that we used for our swimsuit video, where we laid the ribbon across, held it in place with a rubber band. Then we're going to hot glue a string of ribbon across the body. We'll take it off, and we will trim off the extra ribbon that's hanging down up under. And we will add our Velcro and trim the extra ribbon from the back. Create a little hem first, and then glue the piece across there. So we have our neon, which is on trend, and we have our short suit, which is also on trend. Now I had this little piece from an old necklace, so I'm just attaching that to a wire, and then I am using my pliers to create a hook on one side and a hoop on the other side, so we can make a quick little necklace for our doll. A look is never complete without accessorizing. So here is our on trend summer fashion trends according to Vogue magazine. So our dolls are totally in style. And this is going to be a two-parter, so I made another outfit featuring two more trends according to Vogue magazine. So we're featuring our short set and our neon. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. I hope that you liked the video. I think the outfit is really cute. So let me know. Please leave comments. You can reach me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. And for leaving a comment at the last video, we're going to officially welcome Doll Township to the red carpet. Again, thank you so much for watching. And remember, it's more fun to make it.